Hey everybody, Emily here with a quick demo on how to use Google Calendars. This tutorial is especially for beginners who are tired of writing everything down and having to carry around a planner. The good thing about this program is that everything I'm showing you on the desktop today can be used on the Google Calendars mobile app as well. So to get started, I'm assuming because you found this video, you are at least familiar with the wide world of the internet and have been successful in performing Google searches. Google has developed several apps and tools to assist in all needs of the office, including Google Docs, Drive, and Sheets, to name a few. However, today we are focusing in on their online planning tool, Google Calendar. To me, this app has been useful in keeping my schedule organized, setting reminders for appointments and birthdays, and mapping out due dates for bills or assignments. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to create a new event in Google Calendar. So as you probably saw on my screen, I had to log into a Google account in order to use this application, and that is true across the board for all of Google's applications. You need a Google account, and that's going to be like a Gmail account or something like that, and those are free to set up on google.com. So here we've got several layouts that Google Calendar presents, and this one is a weekly layout, and there is monthly layout, 7-day layouts, individual day layouts. But to me, I personally prefer to use the month layout. So to get started, we have to go ahead and hit the Create button in the top left corner. This is a plus sign that has several different colors. And it's going to pop up this screen that says Add Title. And as you can see in this box, there is things called Event, Out of Office, Reminder, or Appointment slot, and by default it sets it to being an event. So I'm going to call this event Sample Event, and we're going to have to decide, is this something I'm letting people know I'm out of the office? Is this a reminder? Is it an appointment? But this is a reminder, so I'm going to go ahead and set it as a reminder, and it default again goes to the current day and closest to whichever time it is at the time. So I'm calling this event Finish Laundry is what I'm going to call it. Now, as you can tell, that is a reminder to me to finish my laundry, because I know sometimes I definitely need a reminder to do that. And you can select, is this something that I want to repeat? Is this something that's going to happen all day? Is this something that's going to repeat every week, every month, whatever it is, however often you do your laundry, I suppose. So whenever you hit save, it pops up on the current day as a little icon that has a finger and it has a string on it. So now we're going to go through the same process again, but in this case we're going to take a look at it from a different point of view. So I clicked the same Create button, and in this case it opens up that box, and I'm going to hit More Options in the bottom right corner, and so it pops up this larger box, and in this larger box it's very similar to the smaller box, but it's obviously larger and it has more options, just as it calls itself. So again, just as before, we are going to select a title for our event. In this case, I'm calling it Sample Event 2, and it's going to be a family reunion is what this one's going to be. So say you have a family reunion coming up, and you have to remind yourself when it's going to be and where it's going to happen. And Google Calendars allows you to do that. So it's, again, by default, it selects the current day. So I went ahead and chose August 10th, this Saturday. And of course it chooses the current time, so I decided it was going to go from noon to 4:30 p.m. Now, something unique to More Options is that you are able to select a location, whereas obviously we did not see that in the smaller box previously. So I've selected that our family reunion is going to take place in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So another option that's super helpful in More Options is to set a notification, which is a reminder to me of when this event's going to occur. So in this case, I've selected that I will get a notification 2 hours prior to the event starting. That might be too soon. Who knows? So another option is that I'm able to select a color to remind me on the main calendar page. And of course, I set that as red, and we'll see that in a minute. And in the description box, I'm able to describe something that maybe can help remind me what this event's about. If it's not obvious that it's a family reunion, I can write family reunion with picnic in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and I need to call Tracy. I'm not sure who Tracy is, but the name sounds perfect. So once we click save, it returns us back to the main menu, the main calendar view, and we're able to go over to August 10th where we just made our event and click on that. Once you click on that, it opens up this box that kind of, just like it says, a single click, all details in one view. So it gives us an overview of all the information we just put in. We can make sure it's all correct, make sure we have the right reminder on, whatever it is we need to review. And we can ensure that all of that is there. So once you click out of that and click got it, it's going to send you back again to that main view of your calendar. So I hope that all this information was helpful, and if you have any questions, just be sure to leave a comment below. I hope that this was helpful. Thanks for watching.